Okay, so this is a 2-bedroom co-op. His brand new renovated bathroom. This is the living room. Okay, and then this is the kitchen. There's a video intercom to the front door. There's the view. French doors, and there are 2 bedrooms here. There's one here and one here.
When does the show start?
This would probably be better off opening up this wall here to the kitchen to make the entrance to the bedroom separate.